Hey guys, how are all of you doing today? Freelancers, how you doing? Upwork freelancers especially, how are you guys doing? How are you guys doing? It is worth asking how you guys are doing. So, I recently just said, let me check my profile because I was so busy this past month. I was really so excited. So, all of you that know, I just graduated my MSc degree. So, I was so busy. I mean, a lot was going on this whole month. But I said, let me even check my profile to see what's up, what's going on, just see what's up. Because I've actually been working with a client of recent back to back to back. In fact, it means my for say it don't do. I don't want again. And I said, okay, let me just check my profile. And I checked my profile. And guess what? Guess what, guys? I am top rated on Upwork. When I saw it, I didn't even know when I screamed because I know I've told myself that see, I will get there. Because other people they got there. So I don't see reasons why I should not get there. So I decided that okay, fine. I mean, I will do everything. I will go on YouTube, I'll watch people's video, I'll see what's up, I'll see like, what should I do, what should I not do? And I'm so excited because I mean, watching people's success really can actually create your own success. Yeah. And I'm top rated, guys. I can't believe it. Like, do you know the benefits it comes with? Right? Like, getting jobs is not going to be as difficult as before. You probably get a lot of invites instead of applying. So many things like God, finally. I just want to tell someone out there that see, if you're starting up as a freelancer, I just want to tell you something. Don't give up. Don't give up. Buy your connect, apply for your jobs. Let me just say there are like four things. There are more, but let me just list out the very important things you should keep note of when you're applying for jobs or to get your first client. First of all, make sure you have a skill. When I mean skill, know that skill. It's not something you're just going to tell somebody you know how to do something and at the end you don't know how to do it. Know what you do. Be a master of your own. Know what you do. That's the first thing. The second thing is that have a portfolio. I mean, everybody wants someone that has had experience or has done something because I don't want to waste my money. So have a portfolio. Show them that yes, I've done this, I've done this, I've done this, and have a portfolio. The third thing I will tell you is that when you're submitting jobs on Upwork, right, make sure that you go straight to the point. When I mean straight to the point, hit the nail on the head. Bam. Let the person not be saying, oh, tell the person, this is what I'll do for you. First of all, you can start up with, here's a link to my portfolio. That's the first thing they're saying. And then you can now tell them that, oh, we use your project, I'm going to do this, I'm going to do this. Then in the middle, you can now put in that, oh, you are this, you are this. You understand? Just go straight to the point. The next thing you're going to do is that submit job of just very small connects. I mean, you see all those ones of probably 150 or 200, the thing they enter your eye, they enter. But no, submit to jobs that are little, very small, 10, 20, 15. If I don't even go up to 20, say 5, 10, 15, like that. And seriously, that is because most people, there are some people that they don't really have that much money. Do you understand? And they just want somebody that they can just give that little money and the person will still do something nice for them because knowing that they're a beginner, so they are so eager. But no problem. I will do it because I want to build my profile. So the next thing you do is that make sure that you're submitting to clients that are already verified. You're going to waste connect. Connect is very expensive now. It's very expensive. I see that I wasted connect. Everybody that started will tell you they wasted connect. Everybody that started knows that connect is very difficult and there are points in their life when they have actually submitted nonsense proposals and it was just waste of connect. But you are starting, and people like us will tell you the truth. Don't submit to clients that are not verified. Once you see they're not verified, just run away because those people, they're just going to waste your connect. They're probably maybe trying to find out what's up about Upwork or something like that. And you don't want to be somebody they'll use as scapegoat. The next thing, well, let me just stop here. I'll list out many more in my videos, right? And also, if you're not following me on YouTube, right, and you are a freelancer on Upwork, seriously, I won't say that you're missing out, but you are missing out. Yeah. you're missing out a lot. So make sure that you're following me on my YouTube channel. But anyways, let me not make this video too long. I'm just so excited who celebrates myself for being an Upwork top freelancer. Anyways, bye for now. Bye.